Traders, this is Roger, hoping all is well with everyone today. Let's jump right into the daily updates on the subdem, the manual setup, the manual strategy here. See that we're in a little bit of a drawdown here. We got a couple trades that are giving us a little bit of fight, so we'll look at those and make a determination on what needs to be done, if anything, when we get to them. All right, so let's kick this off and start off by looking at the Aussie CAD. I hope everyone had a good time at the webinar last night for those who were there. I hope you guys are seeing what the power and the potential of this subdem trading really is. Let's see here. The Aussie CAD. This is the first look for me today. This is it's 10:26, so it's about 2.5 hours into the 4-hour candle, which is fine. Look at it now. I'll look at it again this afternoon, and then tonight, probably around the 8 o'clock candle, my time, of course. Well, let's see here. So right now, Aussie CAD still just hanging out. You know, I looked at the ADR today. Right now, it's at, or actually the CDR. The current range is at 1686, which is really kind of volatility is not really there today. The ADR is starting to creep back down to around 2000. Right now it's at 2496. It was starting to creep up there around 3000 again, which is a good sign. But yeah, right now you can see things are just meandering around, just loafing. We need something to kick this, get this volatility going. So anyway, nothing really here. Just looking for a maybe 65 pips. Maybe if we get down here, if it ever gets down there. So nothing there in the Aussie CAD right now. I will do my best to go through these as quickly as possible, since the majority of you guys are getting this. So I think I'm going to turn off the Aussie CAD right now. There's nothing really there. Aussie Swiss. Again, look at this. This is since last night. Nothing's changed. Everything's going sideways. So we're looking for a long or a short. More potential on the short there. So we'll just see what happens. Aussie Swiss, looking for the short. Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen, we were in a trade, got out. So let's go ahead and reset here. Yeah, it looks like we were in a trade going north there. All right, so we'll just see what happens, but we're looking for a breakout to the north or to the south. I know with the Aussie Yen, you have good wide rivers here. There's an 83 pip river there. And here is a 110 pip river there. So we'll take whatever price gives us, right? That's the name of the game. So Aussie Yen, leave that on. Aussie Naz. Same thing here. I think I would prefer looking for a short here. 82 pip river there. Yeah. Aussie Naz. Aussie Naz. Yeah, looking for a short. All right. Aussie US. Again, this was came down from the sell zone, created a new buy zone, a new moon entry, some steps. That was a good trade we didn't get into. Of course, it took quite a few weeks to get through that, but I think we mapped this out. This was quite a few pips over a month period or so. Well worth it. CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss. Yep, nothing going on there. Moving along. CAD Yen. I think we just threw this away. just threw this, yeah, put this down here, get out of the way. Let's get it way out of the way. So you guys looking confused, thinking I'm looking for a short there. I'm really not. A lot of buy orders there. So momentum for, I'm expecting a, well, it wouldn't be a new moon. Can't wait for price to come up or and give us a new moon short. So nothing there. CAD yen or Swiss yen, I'm sorry. Price came down. That was a new moon, and it made it. Nothing there. Looking for some breakouts there. Be a nice breakout to the south when that happens. Why we got a negative 26? Let's look at this. Oh, I wonder if no. I don't know why I closed that. That was a short trade. Huh. Oh well. Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie right now is in a trade, and this is the one that we need to look at here. We are going short off a new moon entry, and it looks like it bounced a couple times into the sell zone. Got a pretty solid zone above it, and really there's nothing below it till we get down here to this very thin buy zone. So nothing to worry about here. This trade is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles old, 20 hours old. Just give it some time, see what happens. Now, what I would do here is, let's say price continues to go up. Let's scrunch this down a little bit. Yeah, we got some space up here. If price goes up and breaks this sell zone right here, I would probably at that time 85, 88 pips, probably go into a hedge rescue, okay? And what that is, again, this is where it's important that I've stressed over and over again about having the right margin to, or count to lot size set correctly so you give maximum amount of margin. Have enough margin so I can go into a rescue trade, because what this will entail, I'm selling at $1 a pip, all right? And with a hedge rescue, you want to go into it at a 3-to-1 ratio. So that means you have, so it would be $3 that I would sell this at when it broke here, all right? And I'm still negative $1 going south. So you subtract 1 from 3, you got 2 left. So now I am overcoming this drawdown that is continuing to grow, but I'm overcoming it at a 2-to-1 rate. So let's see, I would get in here. That means I would be at that point, I would be down 142 pips. You can see that right there. So at a 2-to-1 overcoming rate, that means I would divide the 142 divide by 2, which would be, let's say, 71 pips. That means I would only need 71 pips to break even. And can I do that to the next? Yeah, I can. Sure can. All right. You see that? Now I usually go, break even plus a few pips. I want a little bit of profit out of it, and also I'm going to cover the commission and the spread. So I would probably put a take profit and create a stop loss off the sell and bring it and overlap it with the take profit somewhere up here. So let me just reiterate this real quickly here. At a hedge rescue, where the point that you get into that rescue and you hedge, you want to go in at a 3-to-1 rate. That would give you a 2-to-1 rate of overcoming the the growing drawdown of the original position. All right. So that means if I'm down 140 pips, I need to only travel 70 pips to break even. I hope that's clear. If you just map it out on paper, do the math on paper, it's a little more clear. You'll figure it out. And when I actually go through one, you'll see it also. But not even near word on this yet. So let's move on. Euro CAD. All right, looks like we're just going to wait for this guy to break north. And it's 195 pips, so about 190 something. No, it's a nice pickup here. So we're not going to look for a short, we're going to look for a long. Just going to make sure that's turned on. Euro CAD. Yep, turned on for a long. Euro Swiss. Same thing, it's just going sideways. We'll move on. Just waiting on that guy. All right, here's one. We're in profit now. This was a sell, a new moon sell, and in profit, and we don't have far to go. Looks like it's pushing down now. About 10 pips, we'll be out. So ching ching, ring up the cash register on that one. All right. Euro yen. Euro yen. Look at this. Don't have a new moon. This is a step, but the step is way out of our 50% range. So, and let me get this out of the way. Just I don't want to confuse you, make you think that I'm looking for a long breakout there. Got a lot of buys to get through to look for a long. So don't worry about that right now. We'll just wait and see what this nice big river gives us here in the near future. This is a river right now that is 415 pips wide. That's a mighty wide river. So what I would like to see is obviously a new moon sell zone up here. We'll take this south. Okay. Well, actually, you know what? We can set this up for a, what am I thinking? There is a breakout right there. Forget about the new moon. Ah, I hate this. I'm sure you guys all have this problem. Sometimes you gotta get right on the dot or right near it. All right. So we'll set this up for a breakout south. How many pips is this? What's our opportunity here? 246 pips, 123. We'll take that. So euro yen. Turn that on for a sell only. All right, Euro NAS. Euro NAS, nah, nothing. Euro US. Looks like we got looking for a breakout to the north. So let's see if we got that correct. Yeah, let's make sure it's to the north. Pound Aussie. I don't have any coffee this morning. My throat's getting dry. Looking for a breakout to the north. And that's what we have. Pound CAD looking for a breakout north still. Lots of hoopla going on right in here. And so we'll move on. Pound Swiss. Look at that pound Swissy, man. That guy's just, for the past week and a half, just going sideways. What a shame. But we'll look for a breakout to the north or to the south right here. Let's see here. Pound Swiss. Yep, we'll leave that north or south. Pound yen. Same thing there. Looking for a breakout north or south. Right now our river is 141 pips, so we'll take a new moon if it gives it to us. Same thing here. This is really, well, it's worth my time there. Yeah, definitely so. Looking for a breakout to the north or to the south on the Euro NAS, which we have Euro, or I'm sorry, not Euro NAS, Pound NAS, Pound US. Nothing really here. No breakouts. Again, let me get these out of the way. Throw that up there. We'll throw this sell breakout down here. Not that we're going to take it there. We'll see what happens. The price clear some of this hoopla out and see what comes next. All right. Pound US. Next is the NASCAD. NASCAD. Again, lots of hoopla there. Only possibility would be to the north here, breaking that out for 113 pips. So make sure we have that turned on. NASCAD for the north, we do. NAS Swiss. There was nothing there last night. Lots of hoopla there. Move on. NAS Swiss. NAS Yen. Let's get this guy out of the way. Put up there in no man's land. Well, look at that. All right, so here, we're just waiting. Breakout to the south here. All right, NAS Yen, NAS US, breakout to the north. Nice move to the north here. 264 pips. And an okay move to the south. Yeah, 71 pips. Nothing in the middle right now. NAS US, US CAD. Lots of hoopla there, looking for a breakout to the north. That's what we got. US Swiss, looking for a breakout to the south still. And that's a nice move down if it ever gets there. If it quits sidestepping to the right. Make a decision there, guy. All right, US Swiss. And the last one is US Yen. We're in this guy here. We're in profit. Looks like it came up, go a little bit sideways. So again, 99.9% of the time. Of course, this was not a new moon. This wasn't even a step. This was a breakout. Yeah, that's right. We determined that last night. This was a breakout to the north. Yeah, because there's the breakout line right there. So there you have it. Updates for June 12th, the year of our Lord 2018. Time is flying, isn't it? Okay, that completes our daily updates for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, see you tomorrow morning for the webinar. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.